Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Garmin Fenix 7X. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what does the packaging look like, so on and so forth. So I'm just going to be doing an unboxing today. Obviously, I don't know how to use the watch. If I do figure out how to use it, I will link some videos to the functionality at the end of this one. Here's a quick look at the box. I kind of debated for a while whether or not to get this, but I've heard a lot of good things about the Fenix series, and when they came out with the 7X with a sapphire crystal, I thought I would give it a chance. So let's take a look at the watch packaging and what all it comes with. A couple different instruction manuals. Like this one's safety and product information, and then an instruction manual for the 7 series. Now, in case you're curious, there is a 7S as well as the 7X. X basically means it's going to be a larger size charging cable, USB. Again, the X is a larger size than the S. It also has better battery life than the S, and it has a different flashlight functionality than the S. But other than that, I think they're going to be fairly similar. So the one thing I was a little bit worried about with the X versus the S is the large size of it. I'm going to have to get used to wearing a watch that's that big. Even though it's rather large, it's not super heavy. It's going to be where you're going to plug your charge cord into to charge it. The band is soft and kind of flimsy. It's not as stiff as I would have thought it would be. It seems like it would be fairly comfortable. Hopefully you're able to see this okay. Not a whole lot to show you. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.